Hello, today we are back with another story. We'll be reading through Cleo Cat. See Cleo Cat here? See? And you can see his fur here. See? See, he's making a sound. Alright, so let's go into the story. Cleo Cat gets up happily. She stretches herself in her warm basket. She's excited because today she gets to go outside for the first time. See, Cleo Cat gets up in the morning. So he's happy today because he's allowed to go outside today all alone. She puts her head through the hole in the door. The garden is beautiful. Look, what's that funny ball? You can see Cleo Cat here. He's looking outside through the hole in the door, and she finds a ball outside in the garden. See, it's a funny ball here. See? Fun, thinks Cleo. Time to play. She runs cheerfully over the brown round thing. But this ball has paws. So she starts playing with the ball she found in the garden. So she rolls it and she plays with it. Finally, she finds that the ball she was playing with has paws on it. So let's see what it is. My ball is running away, shouts Cleo Cat. She tries to stop it with her paw. Ouch, that hurts. So Cleo Cat sees that her ball is running. She tries to stop it, but it runs away. A smiling face looks out of the pricky ball. Hi, I'm Henry Hedgehog. Do you want to be my friend? Cleo would love to be his playmate. It's so nice to be outside. So Cleo has got a friend now. It was a hedgehog called Henry, and he is ready to be Cleo Cat's friend. Wow, that's nice. That's the story of Cleo Cat. Hope you have enjoyed it. Have a great day. Goodbye. See you in the next story.